Do you know the most powerful revenge in life? It's not arguments, it's not proving yourself to others, it's silently focusing on yourself until your results make everyone speechless. The truth is, when you invest in yourself, you don't just grow, you shock the same people who once doubted you. Today I'm going to share with you the 10 main ways to focus on yourself so deeply that the world won't be able to ignore your glow. Listen carefully, because every single point can completely change the direction of your life. 1. How to build an unshakable mindset. The very first thing you must understand if you want to focus on yourself and shock everyone is the power of your own mind. Everything in life begins with a thought. The way you think shapes the way you live. Most people live their lives controlled by the opinions, judgments, and doubts of others. They allow criticism to weaken them, rejection to break them, and failure to define them. But if you want to rise above average, you must build an unshakable mindset, one that no insult, no doubt, and no obstacle can destroy. An unshakable mindset is not about pretending life is easy. It is about accepting that struggles will come, people will talk, failures will happen, and still refusing to quit. Think about the strongest trees in the world. They don't avoid storms, they survive them. Their roots grow deeper every time the wind tries to uproot them. In the same way, your roots, your beliefs, your self-confidence, and your vision must be so strong that no storm of negativity can shake you. The first step is to stop giving control of your mind to others. People's opinions are just noise. Someone will always say you are not good enough, but you must train your inner voice to be louder than the noise outside. Start each day reminding yourself who you are and what you are capable of. Speak life into yourself, because if you don't believe in you, no one else will. The second step is to embrace failure as fuel. Every time you fail, you are one step closer to growth. Failure does not mean the end. It means the beginning of wisdom. When you shift your mindset to see challenges as lessons instead of punishments, you begin to turn setbacks into comebacks. The third step is to build mental discipline. Your mind is like a muscle. The more you train it, the stronger it becomes. Read empowering books, listen to voices that inspire, and practice gratitude daily. These habits slowly rewire your brain to focus on strength instead of weakness. Finally, surround yourself with positivity. You cannot expect your mindset to stay strong if you keep feeding it negativity. Guard your thoughts like a treasure. What you feed your mind eventually becomes your reality. An unshakable mindset is built every single day, through small choices that seem invisible now but create massive results later. 2. How to make discipline your superpower. Discipline is the bridge between where you are today and where you dream to be tomorrow. Many people wait for motivation to take action, but the truth is that motivation is unreliable. It comes and goes like the weather. If you depend only on feeling inspired, you will never build a consistent path towards success. Discipline, on the other hand, is about doing what must be done even when you don't feel like it. It is about showing up, staying committed, and keeping promises you made to yourself long after the excitement has faded. The greatest achievers in history were not always the most talented, but they were always the most disciplined. Discipline is what makes an athlete wake up before sunrise to train. It's what makes an entrepreneur keep working when everyone else is partying, and it's what helps an ordinary person transform into someone extraordinary. When you master discipline, you separate yourself from the crowd, because most people quit when things get tough. The first step to making discipline your superpower is creating structure in your daily life. Success is hidden in your routine. If your days are filled with distractions, procrastination, and wasted hours, you cannot expect your life to change. Design a daily schedule that reflects your goals, whether it is fitness, learning, business, or personal growth, and stick to it like a promise. Even small, consistent actions compound over time into massive results. The second step is self-control. Discipline means sacrificing temporary pleasure for long-term reward. It is resisting the comfort of the bed to rise early, resisting the urge to scroll endlessly on social media to focus on your work, resisting the short-term excitement that destroys your long-term vision. Every time you say no to distraction, you are saying yes to your future. The third step is accountability. Hold yourself responsible for the goals you set. Write them down, track your progress, and remind yourself why you started. When you break your own discipline, you don't just lose time, you lose trust in yourself. And trust in yourself is the foundation of unstoppable growth. Discipline is not about perfection, it's about persistence. You don't have to get everything right every single day, but you must never let laziness win. The more you practice discipline, the stronger it becomes, until it no longer feels like a burden but a natural part of who you are. 3. How to value your own time. Time is the most precious resource you will ever have, and yet it is the one most people waste carelessly. Money can be earned again, opportunities can come again, but once a single second is gone, it never returns. If you truly want to focus on yourself and shock everyone with your transformation, you must learn to value your time like gold. The way you manage your hours determines the quality of your life, because your future is hidden in how you spend your present. The first step in valuing your time is understanding that not every activity deserves your attention. Many people say they are busy, but being busy is not the same as being productive. You could spend the entire day running around doing small tasks that add nothing to your growth. To value your time, you must separate what is important from what is simply noise. Ask yourself constantly, is this helping me move closer to my goals, or is it only keeping me distracted? The second step is learning the power of saying no. Every time you agree to something that doesn't align with your vision, you are actually saying no to yourself. You are giving away the hours you will never get back. It may feel uncomfortable to turn down invitations, requests, or distractions, but remember that people who achieve greatness are those who are not afraid to protect their time fiercely. Boundaries are a form of self-respect, and without them, others will always control your schedule. The third step is to invest your time wisely. Use it on activities that bring growth, knowledge, skills, health, or peace. Read books that challenge your thinking, spend time with people who uplift you, work on projects that build your future. Even your moments of rest should recharge you, not drain you. Time spent with intention is never wasted. The fourth step is mastering focus. In today's world, distractions are everywhere. Notifications, entertainment, endless scrolling. But if you let distractions own your attention, they will own your future too. Train yourself to give full focus to one task at a time, because deep focus produces results that half-hearted effort never can. Valuing your time is not just about being efficient, it's about honoring your life. Every hour you waste is a piece of your potential thrown away. When you start respecting your time, you start respecting your dreams, and that is when the world begins to notice your transformation. 4. How to protect your energy. Energy is the fuel that drives every action, every dream, and every achievement in your life. Without energy, even the most brilliant ideas remain unfulfilled, and even the strongest ambitions fade away. Protecting your energy means guarding your mental, emotional, and physical strength from anything that drains you. Too often, people waste their energy on toxic relationships, endless negativity, and activities that bring no value to their future. If you want to focus on yourself and shock everyone with your growth, you must learn to protect your energy as if it were your most valuable treasure. The first step is to identify what drains you. Pay attention to how you feel after spending time with certain people, engaging in certain habits, or exposing yourself to certain environments. If something constantly leaves you feeling heavy, unmotivated, or doubtful, it is stealing your energy. Protecting yourself does not always mean cutting people off completely, but it does mean creating boundaries so that their negativity doesn't control your inner peace. The second step is surrounding yourself with positivity. Energy is contagious. When you spend time with people who are driven, supportive, and uplifting, their energy feeds your spirit and pushes you forward. On the other hand, when you surround yourself with constant complainers, critics, or those who lack vision, their energy pulls you down. Choose your circle wisely, because the people around you shape the energy within you. The third step is to manage your inner dialogue. Sometimes the greatest thief of your energy is not the outside world, but your own thoughts. Worry, fear, and self-doubt can exhaust you more than any external problem. Replace negative self-talk with affirmations and empowering thoughts. Speak strength into yourself daily, because the energy you feed your mind is the energy you release into your life. The fourth step is prioritizing rest and recovery. Protecting your energy also means taking care of your body and mind. Sleep, proper nutrition, and mindful breaks are not signs of weakness. They are strategies of strength. A tired mind cannot focus, and an exhausted body cannot carry big dreams. Treat your health as an investment, not an option. Finally, protect your energy by choosing peace over drama. Not every battle is worth fighting, and not every opinion deserves your response. Silence is sometimes the strongest form of protection because it saves your energy for things that truly matter. When you master the art of guarding your energy, you build the power to keep moving forward, no matter what tries to hold you back. 5. How to turn pain into power. Pain is something every single person experiences, but not everyone knows how to use it. Some people let pain destroy them, while others use it as the very force that pushes them to rise higher. If you want to focus on yourself and shock everyone, you must learn how to transform your pain into power. The truth is, the people who achieve the most remarkable transformations are not the ones who had easy lives, but the ones who turned their scars into strength. The first step in turning pain into power is acceptance. Many people try to run from their struggles, deny their failures, or hide their heartbreaks, but pain ignored becomes heavier. Instead of pretending it doesn't exist, accept that your pain is real and part of your journey. Acceptance doesn't mean giving up, it means acknowledging where you are so you can decide where to go next. The second step is perspective. The way you view your pain determines whether it weakens you or strengthens you. Instead of asking, "Why me?" begin asking, "What can this teach me?" Every setback, every betrayal, every failure carries a lesson. When you shift your mindset from being a victim of pain to being a student of pain, your struggles become stepping stones toward growth. The third step is to use pain as motivation. Let your hardships fuel your determination to build a better life. If people doubted you, let that pain drive you to prove yourself silently through results. If you faced rejection, let it push you to create opportunities instead of waiting for them. Pain is energy. It can either burn you down or light a fire inside you strong enough to change your entire future. The fourth step is to express your pain in a constructive way. Write about it, talk about it with trusted people, or channel it into your craft, your work, or your dreams. History shows us that some of the most powerful art, inventions, and achievements came from people who decided to turn their deepest wounds into their greatest creations. The fifth step is resilience. Pain is not meant to stop you, it is meant to train you. Every time you overcome a struggle, you build strength for the next challenge. Like muscles growing stronger after resistance, your character grows stronger after pain. When you decide to rise instead of break, you transform pain into power that no one can take away. 6. How to master the art of consistency. Consistency is the hidden ingredient behind every success story you admire. Talent may give you a head start, luck may open a few doors, but only consistency keeps you moving forward long enough to reach the destination. The reason most people fail is not because they are not capable, but because they quit too soon. They give up after the first struggle, they stop after the first failure, or they lose interest when results don't come quickly. If you want to shock everyone with your growth, you must master the art of consistency, showing up again and again, even when no one is watching, even when no applause is given. The first step is to start small but stay steady. Many people overwhelm themselves by trying to change everything at once, and when they fail, they quit. True consistency is built through small, daily habits that slowly shape your character. It is better to read 10 pages every day than to read 200 pages once and never touch a book again. It is better to exercise for 20 minutes daily than to push hard for 1 week and then stop for months. Little actions, repeated daily, create big transformations over time. The second step is patience. Consistency requires you to trust the process even when the results are invisible. Seeds do not turn into trees overnight, they grow underground before anyone sees progress. The same is true for your life. When you keep working without immediate rewards, it is not wasted, it is preparation. Patience separates the dreamers from the doers. The third step is building systems, not just goals. A goal is the finish line, but a system is the daily practice that gets you there. Instead of saying, "I want to be fit," create a system of eating healthy and exercising daily. Instead of saying, "I want to succeed in business," Create a system of learning, networking, and working every single day. Systems make consistency automatic. The fourth step is to embrace discipline over mood. There will be days when you don't feel like working, but those days matter most. Success is not built on the days of excitement, it is built on the days of persistence. Every time you push through laziness or discouragement, you strengthen your consistency muscle. Consistency is the silent proof of seriousness. It may look slow in the beginning, but over time it creates unstoppable momentum. The world notices not when you start, but when you refuse to stop. 7. How to invest in your growth daily. Growth is not something that happens by accident, it is something you must choose every single day. The difference between people who stay stuck and those who rise to shock the world is that the latter make growth a lifestyle, not an occasional choice. When you invest in your growth daily, you build a version of yourself that is wiser, stronger, and more prepared than yesterday. This commitment compounds over time, turning small, simple habits into extraordinary results that set you apart from the crowd. The first step in investing in your growth is developing the hunger to learn. Knowledge is power, but only if you actively seek it. Read books that expand your thinking, listen to mentors who have walked the path before you, and consume information that builds your skills, instead of wasting hours on empty entertainment. Even 30 minutes of intentional learning each day can completely change the direction of your future. The second step is practicing your skills consistently. Growth does not come from knowledge alone. It comes from applying what you learn. Whatever your dream may be, dedicate time each day to practice it, refine it, and improve it. Small improvements daily build mastery over time. Excellence is not an event. It is the reward of consistent practice. The third step is surrounding yourself with people who challenge you to grow. If you spend your time with those who have no ambition, you will slowly lose yours as well. But when you place yourself in an environment of visionaries, doers, and dreamers, their mindset pushes you to rise higher. Growth accelerates when you are held accountable by people who expect the best from you. The fourth step is to track your progress. Many people stop growing because they cannot see how far they've come. Keep a journal, write down your goals, and regularly reflect on the steps you've taken. Progress, no matter how small, is proof that your daily investment is working. The fifth step is personal development through self-awareness. Investing in growth is not just about adding skills, it is also about knowing yourself. Take time to reflect on your strengths, weaknesses, and habits. Correct what limits you and sharpen what empowers you. Growth is a lifelong journey, and the more you commit to it daily, the stronger and more unshakable you become. 8. How to transform silence into strength. Silence is one of the most underrated powers you can possess in a world where everyone is desperate to be heard, to prove themselves, and to show off their progress. Silence becomes your secret weapon. It is in silence that you protect your vision, focus your energy, and build results that speak louder than any words ever could. If you want to focus on yourself and shock everyone, you must learn how to transform silence into strength. The first step is understanding that silence does not mean weakness. Many people mistake quietness for a lack of confidence, but true confidence does not need to shout. When you hold your silence, you are not hiding. You are preserving your energy for what truly matters. Your results will always be stronger proof than your explanations. The second step is to stop announcing your plans before they happen. Every time you share your dreams too early, you invite opinions, doubts, and negativity from others. Some may discourage you, while others may secretly hope you fail. Protect your vision by working in silence. Let your actions, not your words, reveal your progress. People may doubt what you say, but they cannot deny what they see. The third step is to use silence as a tool for focus. When you remove the noise of unnecessary conversations, gossip, and endless distractions, you create space for clarity. Silence allows your mind to think deeper, plan better, and connect to your inner wisdom. Some of your best ideas will come not in the chaos of noise, but in the stillness of silence. The fourth step is to respond less and observe more. Not every insult deserves a reply. Not every argument needs your voice, and not every situation requires your reaction. When you choose silence over drama, You maintain control over yourself while others waste their energy. Silence keeps you powerful because it cannot be twisted, misquoted, or misunderstood. The fifth step is to let silence amplify your results. Imagine working quietly on your goals for months or years, and then one day your transformation becomes visible. The same people who doubted you are left shocked, not because of what you said, but because of what you did. Silence makes success sweeter because it turns your journey into a surprise that no one can ignore. 9. How to stay humble but unstoppable. Humility and strength may seem like opposites, but together they form one of the most powerful combinations a person can have. Humility keeps you grounded, while unstoppable determination keeps you moving forward. If you want to focus on yourself and shock everyone, you must learn how to balance these two qualities, walking with quiet confidence instead of arrogance, and proving yourself through actions instead of ego. The first step in staying humble but unstoppable is recognizing that success is never achieved alone. Every achievement you earn is influenced by countless factors: teachers, mentors, opportunities, even failures that shaped you. When you acknowledge this truth, it keeps you grateful instead of prideful. Gratitude is the foundation of humility, and humility ensures that success doesn't blind you. The second step is letting your work speak for itself. You don't need to boast about your progress or constantly remind people of your achievements. True strength is silent. The louder someone brags, the less they are actually doing. Humble people shock the world not with words but with undeniable results that cannot be ignored. The third step is staying a student no matter how much you achieve. Humility means never thinking you know it all. There's always something new to learn, always someone who can teach you, and always a way to improve yourself. When you remain teachable, your growth never stops. And when your growth never stops, your potential becomes unstoppable. The fourth step is resilience with grace. Being unstoppable doesn't mean forcing your way through with arrogance or aggression. It means moving forward with quiet strength, even when others try to block you. It means refusing to give up, while also refusing to lose your character in the process. Humility ensures that your victories are earned with dignity, not with ego. The fifth step is to focus on purpose, not applause. If your actions are only for recognition, you will lose motivation the moment the applause fades. But if your actions are driven by purpose, you will keep moving even in silence. Purpose-driven effort makes you unstoppable, while humility keeps you grounded enough to handle the success that comes with it. To stay humble but unstoppable is to walk with quiet strength, never seeking validation, never underestimating yourself, and never forgetting that real power is proven in actions, not in words. 10. How to build a life that speaks for itself. The ultimate goal of focusing on yourself is not to prove others wrong, but to create a life so fulfilled, so powerful, and so meaningful that it becomes undeniable proof of your growth. A life that speaks for itself doesn't need explanations, it doesn't need defense, and it doesn't need validation. It shines through your actions, your achievements, your character, and the peace you carry within. When people see the transformation in you, they cannot deny the truth that you chose discipline, growth, and self-respect over distractions, doubts, and negativity. The first step in building such a life is alignment. You must live in a way where your actions, values, and goals all point in the same direction. Too many people say one thing but live another. To build a life that speaks, you must be authentic. Your daily habits should reflect the person you claim to be. Integrity is the strongest voice you will ever have. The second step is consistency in purpose. A life that speaks loudly is not built on random efforts or short bursts of excitement. It comes from years of steady commitment towards something meaningful. Whether it's your career, your health, your relationships, or your passion, dedicate yourself fully and consistently. Over time, your results will tell the story of your perseverance without you ever needing to explain. The third step is building impact, not just income. Success is not only about personal gain, it is about the value you create for others. When your work, your presence, and your contributions leave a positive mark on people's lives, your life automatically becomes a testimony of greatness. People may forget your words, but they will never forget how your actions impacted them. The fourth step is peace over noise. A life that speaks for itself is not always the loudest or most glamorous. It is the one filled with inner peace. When you live with balance, self-respect, and calmness, people notice. They wonder how you remain grounded while still moving forward. Peace is power, and it makes your life a living example of true strength. The fifth step is legacy. What will remain after you are gone? Building a life that speaks for itself means creating something lasting, whether it's knowledge, love, kindness, or work that outlives you. Legacy is the final voice of your life, and when you focus on building it, you no longer need to prove anything to anyone.